Welcome guys to another video. Again, that's twice a day. You're probably wondering why do I have a pumpkin? Just so I don't spoil too much of the base. Cause now I'm gonna do a tour. The base or the laboratory of Truman Show is not actually done yet. I'm just doing a tour of the construction. Why do I have this so much bread? So the tour is now gonna start. Let me just remove this, bread. And if you're wondering why do I have a structure block, that's because that's essential for building. So let's start the tour. Not there yet. Let's go outside. So this lever right here opens this beautiful 3x3 piston door. And by that, voila, you can see my vase and the door. That's the door actually. Yeah. So here is the base. It looks, like incomplete because, like I said, it's still in construction. What did you expect? So this part here, it already has some rooms and stuffs. While, okay, wait, I'm lagging. Let me lower my render distance so, I don't lag. Because it's better to play the game when it's smooth. What is use recommended texture? So first, you can see this beautiful architectural design of my base. And this large like dome, as you can see. So this is the base, still not done yet. The back is very, very empty, as you can see. But here in the front, you already have some rooms, as you can see, colors and, designs. And that weird lever on the top. So first, let's go in. Or maybe just check the design. Okay, fine. Let's go in. So when you go in, you can see the entrance is a 3x3 piston door. That works so great and 100% of the time. Once you go in, you can see these colorful lights and walls. You can see it. Don't mind this chest. That's just the construction items I'm using. You can see the roof, the sky, the lights. By the way, any electricity that you can see in this game is activated by this one lever right here. So if I were to turn off this lever, all the lights of the base will turn off. And it's not just the lights. Along with all the doors that uses electricities will now be uncontrollable. They might just turn off and you cannot turn them on again like that. So let's see. So imagine the door is closed, all the lights are opened. When we turn off this, next time I'm gonna add like a redstone block. It's like a electrical room where it is the room where all the electricity comes. Now let's just start with a lever because I don't have an electric room yet. I don't have an electric room yet. So by pressing this lever, you can see all lights turn off. Even the door is turned off and the lights over there, see, turns off. So this won't work anymore because there's no electricity making it work. Let's turn it off now. And by just plugging in that, all electricity turns on again. And the door is very much controllable again. Ain't that amazing, right? Yes, it is. Whoever said no isn't over. So where should we go? Let's go to the here. So you are greeted. Not greeted. Why do I keep saying greeted? You're not greeting anything. So by going here, you can see the good signs. Oh, you're wondering what might be in here. It's a working elevator. And let's say the thanks to Tomko because he is the one I watch for the tutorial. I think I don't know. So this is an actual elevator. We have an elevator here because the most of the upper part of the base is actually just the laboratory. And don't mind the glitch that will be gone too. Here where we will actually continue the build of the laboratory is this underground here. You cannot even see the end because my render distance is low. But yeah, that's this base will probably get finished in about 2 weeks. I'm just showing you the other essential things like this working elevator. So that's the elevator if you wanna get down. And that's the faster route of going down, or maybe you can take the stairs, but we'll show that later, the stairs. Here is like the office room, like there's a big table here, but there's no table here right now because the base isn't finished yet. So if you're wondering, oh, where's the table, Orange Bread or Mr. Bread, where's the table? It's not here. So here's the room with the lights and everything, the design. If you're probably wondering why is the base like mostly color orange, red, and green, it's because those are my favorite colors, and I think they work fine in a base. Because back then I built a base and I just used white and gray because that's like the modern color now, and I didn't like it, so I'm using colorful things, especially my favorite color. And let's see this door. Let's see it. You can see there's like this color gray yellow. It means this spot is dangerous because this will be the spot to enter the very dome itself. There's nothing much here really because it's not finished yet. This is not how the entrance is going to look. And right now this is what the dome looks like. For any player with the 10 chunks can see this, with the 10 chunks render distance, can see this clearly like this. Yeah. It looks good, and it doesn't it? There's going once I'm like building this inside. I'm gonna build like mountains in this side here so you cannot actually see the wall or touch the wall. And here is going to be an ocean. And this will be a desert or a sand stuffs like that, and there will be grass, trees, caves here, and there's a hole in here, you can see. Never mind this, so let's go back to the base. And if you're wondering what's over here, there's nothing here. It's just some electrical stuff, connecting all the electricity together, so don't mind that. And this room looks beautiful. Yeah, by the way, this base is actually really strong by the looks of it. See, it's very strong. It has so many layers of irons and stuffs like that. So this base is really strong. And if you're wondering what those irons are, those are basically foundation. I just love adding like foundations to my build. It makes them stronger and less like this flat one here. And here's the stair part. I don't know if this room is finished or not. Should I add like something here, or maybe never mind. So you can see this. There's a stairs. If you wanna choose that as a faster route to get down to floors, you can choose that. This upper one here is like a view to see the laboratory. And actually this thing will be covered with glass. Like, a laboratory, as that's what most of the laboratories look like. So right here on the very top, you can see like a balcony or like a spot where you can view so many things, like a terrace or something. What do you call that? I don't know. Here you can see almost anything. And when you go down here, there's this one which is a view also, but this view actually leads to this room right in here, this box square room, where you can see the elevator here in the bottom. Here, okay, I'm lagging. Here you can see the view. So that's basically that. So right now I just started building this. It's like the first week, And that's basically tutorial. I mean the tutorial. What the fudge am I talking about? That's basically the tour of the very base right now. I'm gonna show you what I'm going to be doing next. After I'm, done building this part right here. Um, what I'm gonna do first is, like cover these spots off. If you're wondering what these irons are, they're basically the wires, the redstone, the tubes with the redstone stuff. Gonna probably make this like an open holes to the very underground, and I'm gonna add a large tree in there, something like that. Here will be like stairs, hallways, so you can see the outside and the dome itself. And like I'm gonna add some piston doors, secret entrance to get inside the actual dome itself. Along with these sides here, I'm gonna cover this up and add some piston doors to get inside the dome. Like entrance, a secret entrance. So after doing all of that, here I'm going to be doing this part about the stairs. I'm gonna start to build the very first room in here. After I'm done building that, I'm gonna build this part also with the elevator. I'm gonna cover it up. It looks pretty uncoverless. Whatever the word is. And after that, I'm going to make this like rooms, hallways, an underground secret entrance to the dome. So yeah, that's how the base is going to look. It's going to be very large. Gonna add so many things in here, like a large testing area. I can add that if you want. You can do suggestions, and you can also look in the post of mine if you want. Oh, and something cool is like even the stairs here has foundations. Just be the base to be strong. So in any case, you're like you have a TNT, so something like that. Then you figure out, you add TNT over there. Then you press this button right here. Oh no, I broke it. Oh my gosh, I broke the base. Let's see oh my, I actually broke it. Oh my gosh, I broke the elevator. No, that's so stupid. Okay, well, the elevator is broken. Let's just get ourselves a flint and steel. And maybe continue adding these bombs. Cover it like that. Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh. And well, that's the base, the very great base. With that part exploded, then let's also add some few TNT here, just to show you how weak the base is actually. Oh my gosh, the lights just turned off. Oh look, you can see the entrance to the base. And let's imagine this door being closed and you wanna go inside here. You can just add this, press the button, then explode the whole base. Don't worry, this is the backup. Just kidding, there's no backup. The base is now destroyed. All these times you've been waiting to see the base, there's no base anymore because you're not subscribed. Oh my gosh, because you're not subscribing. So let's just add a quick line of TNT in here, then see it exploded one by one as we see the roof opens up. Okay, that did not feel like enough. Let's just, oh my gosh, why did that work? Let's just add so many TNT and click one of them, click that. There, finally it's exploding, so we can see the outside of the base. As you can see foundations and everything. That's fun. So yeah, that's like the base. Oh my gosh. So that's the base. We can even go to like midnight and see how well it lights up, Then you just suddenly add a burst of TNT in here while the base is lighting up. After that, all electricity turns off. And now the base is dark.